Hey, I have to admit something straight away. When I first set up the LG M5 Sound Suite and hit play, there was this tiny moment where I just paused and listened. Not excited, just really listened. And that's when it hit me. I'd been living with audio that was settling for okay for too long. This isn't for people who are fine with background sound that you barely notice. This is for the kind of person who feels their space, who knows when something sounds flat or weak, and who refuses to accept mediocre audio as normal. You appreciate depth, clarity, and presence, even if you won't call it a big deal out loud. Before we go further, take a minute to check the current price and see if it's in stock. Wireless sound systems this capable never stay at a steady price, and waiting rarely works out the way you hope. I realized it was time to upgrade after one movie night where the dialogue felt distant and the bass felt like a whisper. I kept telling myself, it's fine, it gets the job done, until I finally admitted I was just used to compromise. Swapping in the M5 was like someone turned the soundstage from flat to alive. That first moment where you actually hear what you were missing? It's unforgettable. This speaker fills my living space in a way that doesn't just play sound, it places it around you. Movies feel more intentional. Music doesn't just play, it breathes. Even podcasts suddenly feel clearer, like someone's right there talking to you. That shift from background audio to immersive presence changes how you interact with every piece of content. I've used it casually while cooking, deeply while watching films, and even in quiet moments with soft music just because it feels right. When you're playing something with real dynamic range, the dual tweeters and 3 woofer hit in different directions, and suddenly it's not just loud, it's layered. And once you feel this level of sound, anything weaker starts to sound flat. If you're hesitating because it's wireless or just a speaker, that doubt flips fast. The surprise benefit? It doesn't just fill the room with louder sound. It fills it with shape, direction, depth, nuance. Even quiet passages feel intentional, and sharp transitions feel alive instead of harsh. There's a subtle pride that comes with owning something like this. You don't brag about it, but you feel it every time you walk into the room and hear what's playing. It's one of those upgrades that quietly reinforces itself. Every use reminds you why you chose it. Sound feels planted around you. Movies suddenly have dimension. Music gains clarity and punch. Wireless freedom actually feels good. Your space starts sounding intentional, not as deep bass as full theater subs. A step up from typical smart speakers. At some point, you realize comparisons just loop you in circles. You already know the audio quality you want. Every time you consider something weaker, your mind comes straight back here. Don't let this be one of those upgrades you put off and look back on later with regret. Check the price and availability, make the move, and enjoy what it feels like when your sound finally matches how good your content really is.